Hey guys, Voinski from Finding Keto Joy here, and I wanted to share with you today some of my favorite sauces and dressings because I know so many of you guys have been asking how I'm either getting fats up on salads or even then like when you want to make ribs, what kind of barbecue sauce are you using, right? Okay, so I'm gonna come over here and we are going to check out some of my favorites. Okay, so the first one is this barbecue sauce I found at ShopRite. My local place is ShopRite, but I'm sure you guys can find it. Okay, so this is G. Hughes sugar-free barbecue sauce. I have original. I also have, let's see, I also have honey. Is that what it is? Yeah. Oh, this one's really good. Okay, so this one is honey, and it's sugar-free, 2 carbs per serving, gluten-free, and when I say it was really good, I mean it's really good. I made ribs in a crock pot with this, and it was actually, the original is kind of spicy, which I liked. It was really good. Okay, so next, when I make my keto pancakes, also at ShopRite, I found this pancake syrup. Okay, so now keep in mind, it's not actually syrup. It's calorie-free, sugar-free. It is fat-free. It's basically 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Now, is it totally healthy? Probably not like the best thing as if you were eating original maple syrup, right? But if you want just a tiny little bit on your keto pancakes to make them taste like you're having the real thing, this is the bomb. Okay, and then these are the dressings. You find them in the produce section. And this is how I get my fat up on salad a lot, and also if I'm eating wings and things like that. So the first one is the Marie's, and this is the creamy Italian garlic dressing and dip. On the back, you'll see there's 19 grams of fat, 1 carb, and 0 protein. So this is really good. And then I also, our favorite, we have a huge one of this, and we actually have one in the back too, is the Marie's chunky blue cheese. And we use this with salads, wings. I've even dipped, had it on the side and had like vegetables and stuff with that, and it was just absolutely wonderful. There's also, let me see this one too. Okay, so this one I believe my husband got because he likes to marinate stuff. This is pear and white balsamic vinaigrette, but again, it's at St. Walden Farms, and it's calorie-free, fat-free, sugar-free. So it's basically just totally 0, and it's just a little bit of flavor. So that is what I have there. And those are just some of my favorites, so I just wanted to share those with you. You guys are asking a lot about that. So go check them out. I got all of mine from ShopRite. I know you can also grab stuff from Amazon. And also, I believe Acme has some of these things too. Let me know what some of your favorites are. Drop them down in the description. If this was helpful, like this video, subscribe, and hit that bell to be notified of new stuff. Thanks, guys.